Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I got one more interesting workaround for the cards and tooltips. And before jumping into that, please check out my channel where I try to solve different problem statement in a simplest manner. And if you like the videos or you like some of the videos, please subscribe and like my videos. So let's jump back to the workaround that actually I was just thinking. And so sometimes, many times, what happens like you have some kind of an KPI you show it, but at the same time you want that the business makers or decision makers somewhere it does not clicks directly what exactly it is or something like. So you want to highlight that okay, this KPI means this, and this is what the calculation is all about. So, for example, I have just calculated the average on order. So, if I just click, so it gives the definition of that, okay, what exactly it is, how it helps a business creator, or it could be anything. Like, even if you want to direct some steps that, okay, click on this, click on that, these kind of simple stuffs that you want to do it. And so, how you can do this thing. So, let's see, it's a very simple thing. Like I have already created one measure called AOV, which is nothing but the total sales divided by the order, two distinct order IDs, which gives you the average order value. Now, let's see how we can create this thing. So for that, what I can do, let me insert a shape. And it's totally depends on one individual how they want to create and all the other stuff, because uh, it's more of in perception than rather than what you say it's correct or not correct. Okay, so if it is something fits in your dashboard, it definitely makes sense to put it on, try to enhance these things. So let me do this fill uh and border also. Let me, if I'm using this, so let me do the border as well this. So I'm doing some kind of this kind of a shape. Okay, I'm not going with the card new card visual. I'm just trying to stick with my card. Now this is the thing. Let me put it here. Then I will just add my feature. Okay, I can go here, transparent background. Okay, now we are good. Like okay, this is the KPI that we want to show. And this is how it looks like. Okay, let me align a bit. You can do one more formatting that okay, it should be on always on the front. So you can do bring to the front. Now what we want? We want this question mark or tilde action. Okay, now we have to go to insert. We have to go to buttons and insert this help icon. So let me get this formatted. Okay, oops. I have to do it again. Let me change its color, icon color to black. It looks, for me, it looks good. Like this is the thing. Now, if you see here, if I just place it here, and if I just click here, okay, if you see, there is no tooltip option here. Okay, because it's a button thing, so you cannot have tooltip for that. If you want to have this some kind of a thing, if you see, if I click on the card and go there, here we have the tooltip option. So how do I do this thing? So what I can do is like I can create a one more card which is having the blank value, because at that we do not want to display anything on that. So what I can do, I will just create a blank measure, and it can be used anywhere. Like you have to just create once and it can be used anywhere. So what I can do, I can insert one more card, use this blank value there. Uh, Blank value sell out for this thing. Let me go effect 100% transparent. Let me resize it. I just will place over this. Okay, I have just placed over it. Now, if you see here, I have the tooltip option. Now I want to create a tooltip. How I can create a tooltip for this? You just need simple. You need to create one here, create canvas. Go to the format option, page information. Use this as a tooltip. You can rename it as like definition of KPI. I'm just taking as this thing. Uh, Sorry. Now, if you want to resize it as per the thing, okay, let me do one thing. Let me insert a text box here. I have the definition in place. Copy paste it. Let me do this as bold. Okay, and let me resize it. Now you know that we do not require the whole space because it will tooltip it will show all this dotted line space. So what I can do is like I can again go to this settings page information and sorry canvas setting. Instead of tooltip, what I can do, I can just select the custom. Okay, it's 240. Let's select 180. I can go one more shot, 160. This height, okay, we can go 150. Okay, this looks good. Width also I can go 300 or let me do 140 actually. 120. Okay, this looks good. Okay. Now we have this thing. Uh, what I can do now? I can go to back to this. Okay. Now I have to click that blank measure that we have created on the cards. We have to select this. Go to format area visual. Go to general and select the tooltip. Switch on the tooltip report page. Which tooltip you want? We have set that definition of KPI. We have set this. Okay. Now, if I just hover over these things, my definition, it will look like this. Now, can we enhance a bit also here also? What I can do is like this canvas background. Let me take my canvas background, let's say gray color, and let me do this. Okay, I have to format the text. My bad, sorry. I have to this and take a gray color. Okay, so if I now go this, uh, sorry, mm, got stuck. Now it's it. So this is how like you can just enhance your tooltip and give bit more edge on that. Okay, this is what the information is. If you click here, you will get this, or if you drag here, even you can add chart value because generally what happens like hmm, on card which will specifically if you want to add some tooltip, let's say uh, you want to show the distribution of this 459 into let's say region wise, that can also you can show this by using this. You can just add a simple here small any icon, and then based on that you can add this. So this small things matters a lot when you are just presenting to a high level business before which who is more into business, not into technology or something. That helps a lot, these kind of small things. So hope you are able to follow this till points. If you are, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Follow for more Power BI updates.